Hi guys, so today we're going to be moving into this house. So there was a part 1 that was like, if you haven't seen part 1, go ahead and watch it after this video, or if you want to do it opposite, watch part 1 and then part 2. You can pick. It's all your choice, but we're moving in. Whoop, whoop, whoop. But I'm still... So this is the house. We're moving into the beach house. Yay! I will be tanning so much. Just kidding. I'm not really a tan person, but I will be swimming in that water. It looks so clean and clear. Let me go show you guys. Tell me this is what you won't go in. Like, hello? Anyways. Yeah, so that's what we have, but that's not for the video today. Maybe if we still have some time. But, you know what we will be doing today? Is decorating this house. Oh, so that means I can decorate my room? You sure can. And we have some new furniture, like a new carpet, a new lights. By the way, guys, that is from the new free Toca pack, so go ahead and check that out if you haven't checked it out, because it's so cool though. So yeah, let's get started. So first of all, you guys can, like, this is the twin stair stuff. So here, Leo, you will be taking some stuff. So like the bathroom stuff, which is the least heaviest. Maybe Lily, give this to Leo because he's stronger, he says. But okay. Go ahead and go to the elevator, but wait for it to start. Ooh, there's a 3rd floor in this house. I like this house. That's what I told you. Okay, this must be your stuff. Kitchen stuff. Oh, kitchen supplies. And this is the entrance supplies. This is also your supplies. Okay. Can we film first? Sure. Okay, guys, so you guys can pick a room, but I'm coming with you guys because I'm gonna tell you guys which room is mine and which room you cannot pick. Okay, Mom. Okay, guys, drop everything. So this is the 2nd floor. So we will have our kitchen up here, but this is not the kitchen. This will be the bathroom. So no picking this room. Bathroom. Oh, Mom, isn't that a bit stupid? Everybody who's outside can see us. And who's everybody? I don't see no other houses. Okay, you're right with that one. Okay, next room we have is this huge room. But this will be either the kitchen or the living room or my room. So no picking this one. Maybe if we don't use it for any of those, you can, but maybe not. So next room we have is this one. Ooh, actually, this is gonna be the kitchen, so no picking any rooms on the second floor because this is all like regular stuff. So yeah. Next floor, the third floor is like one of the best floors. I'm telling you. Okay. I hope there's enough place for me, maybe to not share a room because I do not want to share a room with her. Wow, how nice of you. But you know what? You stink. I do not stink. Guys, stop fighting. We're going to the second floor. Third floor. We're here. This. Oh, this is my room. Leo, no, this is not your room. Nobody's even sleeping here. This is gonna be our second living room. So, nope. Ugh, fine. This can be. Oh, this is my room. I don't want it to be my room. Next room. Oh, maybe we won't haunt that one. This will be. Somebody can pick that. This is gonna be my room. No. Me and your dad and Lily. Oh, why? Leah, baby Leah. They'll be sleeping on the second floor, on the biggest room. Okay, then this is gonna be my room. And, oh, yeah, thank you. This is gonna be my room. I love it, and I have a balcony. Better not jump down the balcony. Ew, good idea, Mom. I said you better not. Fine, I'm not going to. Okay, I'm going downstairs and you guys sort it all out. I do not care how you guys want to sort it all out, but it's your guys' room. You guys pick, not my choice. These kids these days, always fighting. Let me get this out of the elevator. Okay guys, so I will be checking on you guys every 10 minutes. Why every 10 minutes? That's not even long. It's long enough. But first, I'll give you guys 30 minutes or 40 or an hour. But because I have a bigger room, that does not mean I won't be checking on you guys. I'm sorry, just let my pen fall. Anyways, this is gonna be my room. The Twitter stuff. I'm gonna take that there. To their room. Oh. Here's your guys' stuff. I do not care what you guys want to do with your room. It's your room. And if something is not correct and you need my help, you just call me. Okay guys, so first of all, let me just put this on the elevator, please. And just look at that. I have a secret call. Ooh, this is to that shed. Okay, I might just make that my secret spot. The twins will never know. Let me just hide it. And I can like hide my secrets in here. Mom doesn't even know about it. Okay, first of all, let's do the walls. I'm gonna paint my walls. No. Ooh, I like this. Next, we're gonna paint the floor. I'm not gonna paint the floor, but I'm just gonna pick my floor. This since your floor will also be like this, so don't mind that I'm just going in the room. Okay, so next I'm gonna put is my bed. My last bed was basic white. Now I want to do a basic white bed, but I want to do my this flower pink bed. So I'm just gonna put it here. Oh, here. Yeah, by the window. It's so cute. For carpet, this is nice, but it's basic. This is nice, but doesn't match my... Ooh, this could be cute. This is small. I'm pretty sure Lily will use this. Wait, let me go ask Lily. Lily, come here. Okay. You like this carpet? Yeah. Can I have it? Sure, I don't even like it. Do you have something for me? Yeah, I guess. Let me show you. I have this one. Ooh, thank you. Can I take it? Yeah, I don't even like it. Here you go, Lily. And there you go, Leo. Ooh, jackpot. I hit the jackpot. I also really like this one. It's like so cute. Or the red one. But then if I want to use these, I have to pick the white bed again. You know what? I will. It's fine. We will just get new packs, so I will have a different bed in a while. I like this. No, I'm actually gonna pick the pink bed and use the red carpet instead. Ooh, I like this curtain. So cute. Or this yellow one, or this purple one. Maybe I'll give this to Lily, the purple one. But the yellow one is mine. Ooh, this is matching with the carpet. Loki, why do I want to do a burgundy room? Guys, comment down below. Should I do a burgundy room? You know what? I'll do it because it's a cute color. Lily, I have something for you again. Ooh, yay! It's a curtain. Do you like purple? Yeah, I love purple. Okay, I'm gonna bring it for you later. Okay, I'm going to my room. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna pick this and then switch this and put it there and pick the white bed because I like it better. Anyways, because they like this burgundy color. It's like so cute for my room. Guys, comment down below which color is your favorite and how your room looks. I'm gonna add this kind of pictures. Snaky picture, it's so cute. Not that I like snakes, but it's like matches the aesthetics. Next I'm gonna add is this little nightstand with some shelves here. The shelf go there and there. And then I have closet, but I'll do that later. light. I have this light and it matches so good, but I wanna put it somewhere else. Now I'm doing my bed area. That's cute though. This plant. Ooh, I like this plant. I'm gonna put it there, but then, yeah, actually there's nice. But then I have to change the lamp to this side, which I actually also wanted to do. Which is pretty cute too. And I'm gonna put this plant right over here. A little lamp for my nightstand. This is cute. With the shells inside. Nah. I think Leo will use that. Ooh, I like this lamp. I'm gonna use this lamp. And let's see if there's anything else. Ooh, this is also a nice little basic one. Yeah, let me just put this. And then I can there, yeah. That's cute, but no, it doesn't fit on the spot that I want to put. Ooh, a ring light? I will. Okay guys, so now I have my bed area, but now I'm gonna check on Leo. I'm gonna help Leo. Leo, what do you want to do? I want to put my bed and stuff. Okay, let me help you with the wall. First of all, which walls do you want? Ooh, the alien. Ooh, yeah, actually, that's cute. I like the aliens. Can I keep the aliens? Yeah, okay. I'm gonna keep the aliens, and you'll put your bed on this side or that side, because everyone's gonna see it. Okay, nice, really nice. But, yeah. I will pick the blue bed. Leo, that does not really match. Or you have to change your wallpaper. Okay, maybe we can do that again. I thought you have to maybe look for something else. But if it doesn't match, I like this one. Are you sure? Wait, let's check. Ooh, I really love this. I like this blue one. It takes deals. Or do you want to just have a white bed so you can use the alien? Oh, wait, look at that. No, I don't think you will really like that anyway. I want the aliens in. Okay, and then you can use. Or you can have a big bed if you want to. Mom will probably allow you. We can have this bed. No, maybe we just take the white bed. Fine. Or do you want this bed? Oh, yeah, that's cool. Okay, so we have that. Now we can get the one next to it. Oh, I like the blue one. Okay, that one you can take. This one, because you know. Picture. Oh, I like this picture. It doesn't look. Oh, alien. Can I take this? Yeah, okay. Okay, now you can decorate with the things out of your box. I'm gonna help you. Hi, sis, can you help me? Yeah, that's what I'm here for. Should I help you change your wallpaper? Yeah, a little pink or purple. I want purple because purple's my favorite color. I knew you were gonna say that. Oh, look at how cute the bears are. It is cute, but I don't think you can take that now, maybe. Because I know you like purple, so I have seen something else specific. Look at this. Yeah, I like it. Okay, now we can move your. You wanna put your bed here? Yeah, because I want to be close to the window. Okay, and then your bed. I don't know if there's a purple bed. I want a watermelon bed. Okay, then you have the watermelon bed, or you can do that, or you can do this white one. The white one. Okay, it's cute. Okay, well then you can do a little nightstand. I'm gonna do the same like I have in my room, so I can imagine. It's very cute. Picture. Oh, look at the purple picture. You want that? Or yeah. Unicorn one? Yeah, unicorn one. Okay, we got the unicorn one here. And look at this, I have the purple curtain. Yeah, what, there? I guess so. Let me see. Yeah, put that there. I like it. Also like your room so far. It's very cute. Next we can move on is maybe a little shelf, or a couch, or let's I like that. And now this baby one, yeah, okay. You want to put it next to your bed like that? Two, like that. Your picture right there. That's cute, like that. Oh, I need my frog diffuser. I knew you would do that, because you love frogs. I'm gonna put a but you have, okay, I'm gonna put a fake one, so you don't have to put water. The doggy one, with the purple. Then you have to remove your diffuser. Okay, you know what? Let's go to the room stuff, and I'm gonna put a shelf in front of your bed. And you can put your froggy diffuser on it. Okay. And then you can put your dog there, and then you can put the light beside you. I want the pink one. Then I'm gonna add this basket so you can put your toys in or your clothes. You can pick one. I think toys. Okay. Maybe here. This foggy thingy. Okay, then you can put it above your light. Maybe let me see that. How it looks then. Ooh, that's cool. Okay, I'm just gonna go back to my room so you can use the things out of your box. Because I still have to do a lot in my room. So this is what I have in my room, but I still have a lot of space there, and I really love this place. like what I've done so far. So let's just go ahead and put my closet already because I'm too excited to put my closet. Ooh, this is cute. Yeah, definitely with the burgundy in my room. I love it. Oh. Okay, so next we can add maybe like, oh yeah, my vanity. I was about to forget. I'm gonna put my vanity again next to my closet and put a chair in front of it. I wish there was a burgundy chair, but okay. I'm gonna use this one. No, I like this one that I used that. This one. And then we can like use this here in front of my bed. And ooh, these roses are so cute. But it's like so big, it takes a lot of space. I think I'm gonna add like this cat Japanese thingy. It's pretty cute. I will see. Next, I don't think there's anything that was still match here. Maybe the main light. For my main light, I guess I'll use this. I don't know what I have to put in this area, but we will see. Okay, but first now I wanna like put some things that I have from the last home in here. I know what I can put here that I had in the other room. Look, so we go to the closet, and then I have this thing. This is what I used and that I really liked. And I need some pictures like above it, so we're gonna add that. Guys, don't mind it. I'm a bit sick. Not really, but yeah. But I was always like, yeah. I don't know how to explain it, but anyways, I'm gonna add this rose thingy. We're gonna put a mirror. Maybe you can look at. Oh, why did I do that? Maybe I do have some space like to move a bit of the thing, so we can like add a little mirror here because that would be cute. And I need a mirror. Not that one. Yeah, I can do that one. But wait, like that. And then I have to add my lamp there and my ring light there. That's so cute. Okay, so I added my watermelon pillow. I have my dressing thingy mannequin. I forgot the name. Sorry, guys. Sometimes I forget the names of things. So I'm not gonna leave that there. Oh my days! I keep on like I'm gonna put this backpack up there. I'm just gonna check like my tablet. I can put there my thing there. I have too many things. I need like a shelf. Maybe I can like and put above my vanity a shelf because I don't have anywhere else. Guys, comment down below where you guys are going on vacation because I'm really wondering. I'm really wondering. Okay, so I have that. And then, so I can add like some stuff that